Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm making some chicken fried rice. And yes, I'm indoors. I'm in my shop. And I have to be in my shop because it's 106 degrees outside. And it's been that way for 30 days, more than 30 days. I'm in North Texas now. Turn that down a little bit. I was in Central Texas, and now I'm kind of in northeast of Dallas, and it's really, really hot. So I got my fan on. At least I'm air conditioned in here. I put air conditioning in my shop. Let me turn that down. Yep. Okay, what I'm going to do is put some ABC medium sweet soy sauce on my chicken. And I'll put it on the rice too. If I turn that down, I'm going to turn both of those down. It'll continue to cook over here. Now this makes a mess with the soy sauce. So now I'm going to get some more olive oil. I'm going to start some veggies over here. Frozen vegetables. Get them started. A little hot. I turned it all down. A little salt and pepper on that. I like to cook my vegetables pretty good. See, I've got a mini split over here. I installed this a couple weeks ago. I turned it to 70. I usually have it at 62. Sorry, I got the fan on. But the mini split is incredible. My shop is getting cleaned out a little bit. We're moving, so we got a whole bunch of stuff around here yet. So, get the soy sauce back on there. Ouch! The soy sauce dripped on me, on my toes. Okay, I'm going to turn this off on this side. I like my vegetables cooked a little bit better. Probably don't have to be toasty, but they're good. Turned it off over here because it's still cooking, and when I start my rice, I want to turn it all off, and then cook the eggs when the whole griddle's off. I got rice too. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I'll go down just a little bit more. There we go. You see all my garbage over there? We have recycling. Actually, there's a lot of, all of that is fertilizer. I got a big yard, so can't fertilize it now. It's too hot. I won't fertilize it when it's in the hundreds. It's been 106, 108. It's just hot. It's just terrible hot. Haven't even been riding a whole lot. Used to go to the grocery store, you know, when it gets down to like 95 at night, but it's always so late. I drove my car today just because it's so hot. Okay, rice. I use jasmine rice, but I'm using the jasmine minute rice because it's just, I'm not going to let this stuff, it's still hot. I'm not going to let it sit overnight in the refrigerator and dry out. It's good the way it is. Get it all out of there with my fingers. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Grill's off. I'm going to use some more sweet soy sauce. I'm also going to use a little bit of sesame oil. And just a tiny bit of stir-fry sauce. And I'm going to mix it up. Get the soy sauce mixed in there good. Okay, good enough. Just a tiny bit more oil and put my eggs over here. I'm not one of them that can do it with one hand. I get too many shells. This cooks really fast. Okay. Go back here with a little bit hotter. A little bit hotter in the back. Okay. Now I'll mix the rice in with the eggs. Everything should be up. Turn everything